Type 2 diabetes is a common illness that is largely preventable and usually preceded by prediabetes. Age, excess weight, physical inactivity, poor diet, and family history are significant risk factors for the disease. If you have type 2 diabetes diagnosed before the age of 50, the risk of your child getting diabetes is 1 in 7. If you were diagnosed after turning 50, the risk is 1 in 13. Some scientists believe that a child's risk is greater when the parent with type 2 diabetes is the mother. If both parents have type 2 diabetes, a child's risk is about 1 in 2. Problems arising from type 2 diabetes include heart disease, stroke, hypertension, blindness, kidney disease, nervous system complications, amputations, dental disease, and even depression. Diabetes symptoms may vary depending upon how high and how long your blood sugar has been elevated. Some of the signs and symptoms are increased thirst, frequent urination, extreme hunger, unexplained weight loss or weight gain, fatigue, blurred vision, slow healing sores, high blood pressure, gum disease, and infections of the skin, vagina, or bladder. Prediabetes is asymptomatic and is usually found on routine screening blood tests ordered during a physical exam or for some other medical condition. If you notice any symptoms of diabetes, contact your doctor. Simple fasting blood tests can make the diagnosis. Type 2 diabetes can often be prevented by lifestyle changes including weight control, exercising, and eating a well-balanced diet that is not too high in carbohydrates. These same lifestyle changes are used to treat prediabetes in order to prevent evolution to diabetes. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent the onset of complications. If lifestyle changes are unable to control diabetes, your doctor may recommend medication. Because diabetes is so common and current medications are not always successful at controlling it, researchers are looking for new medications to treat this disease. We are currently enrolling for diabetic studies using some promising new medications. If you or someone you know might be interested in participating in a study, contact us at 505-923-3232.